Hello and welcome. My name is Janine Cummings, and this is the Divine Nurture channel. How about we call on a little grace together? Not from anything outside of us, but the grace that already lives inside of us. The love and the tenderness that already lives inside of us. Listen to this, and then sing with me. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. I need you now. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. I need you now. Let's do it again. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. I need you now. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now, right now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. Yes, I need you now. I need you now. So when we get into fear or uncertainty, we have a choice. We can stay in it, or we can call on the grace that lives inside of us. I'm going to choose grace. I think you will too. What we're doing with these mantras is we're planting seeds. And what will happen is, all of a sudden, this song will come into your mind. And it will be a reminder that, oh, I'm in fear. I need to stop. And remember that I can choose grace. I can choose love's tenderness. I can choose love's trust. And that's what I'm going to do. So sing with me. Let's do it one more time. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. I need you now. Grace, I'm calling on your tenderness. Oh, I need you now. And love, I'm calling on your gentleness. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. Oh, I need you now. Yes, I need you now. I need you now. Let's place a hand on our heart and just gently pat. And together we say, I love you. Oh, I love you.